Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showing you the OneAdaptr. This is the OneWorld PD adapter. I've traveled around the world several times, and finding a very good charger is very difficult. This one is made solid. It has exchangeable parts right here, so you can put that on and take it off if you need to. Here's for USA. You just slide it right out. Slide it back. This is for UK. Here you go. You get all the prongs right there that you need, and Australia and China as well. And it does up to 30 watts. You can charge 5 devices at the same time, 4 with the USB-A and USB-C ports. This is Power Delivery Plus and Quick Charge 3.0 enabled, and the 5th device you can plug in right here and charge. That would be pretty much all that you need. You can definitely charge a MacBook Air with this device. You can charge iPad Pro, and you can charge your regular iPad and all of your iPhone devices that you need right here. Or if you are traveling with your game system, the Nintendo Switch as well. This is from OneAdaptr, and this is the OneWorld Power Delivery Adapter. And I like how modular it is, and it feels solid, so you know that will survive a travel around the world. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.